Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use a fairy targeter. It basically makes a higher chance of crops becoming glimmering if you place it near the crop you want to have the glimmering mutation on. So for instance, I want, let me see, which one doesn't have a glimmering mutation already? Okay, for instance, this crown melon, I don't know, this is just an example, or ember lily. I'm just going to place the fairy targeter here, and basically it's going to hopefully attract the fairies to be closer to the plant you want the glimmering mutation to go to. But that's pretty much the use of a fairy targeter. You get it by completing the tasks here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.